Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will be looking at the best 3D printer for miniatures. The output of these printers is terrific, and they can produce highly detailed models. 3D printing is a fun and exciting new technology that recently gained popularity. It's only natural that 3D printing would make its way into miniatures. To help you out, we've done the hard work and have compiled a list of the best 3D printers for miniatures currently on the market, the best of the best. In today's fast world of 3D printing, users can now print replicas in a matter of minutes. For your ease, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box descending so you can buy them without the hassle. The best thing is that these delivered links are updated daily to ensure you get the best sales in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Phrozen Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D Printer is a top-of-the-line 3D printing solution for enthusiasts looking to produce ultra-high-definition miniatures with exceptional precision. Its 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160 and 722 ppi, the highest ppi ever, enables the Sonic Mini 4K to produce stunningly detailed models at 35mm. The Sonic Mini 4K can print up to 4 times faster than traditional 3D printers. This rapid prototyping significantly improves printing efficiency, allowing each layer to print out in only 2 seconds. With a printing volume of 5.2 inches by 2.9 inches by 5.1 inches, the Sonic Mini 4K provides ample space for creating most 3D models while remaining compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. The Sonic Mini 4K is compatible with various 3D printing resins. Phrozen provides a 1-year warranty on all their 3D printers and lifetime technical support, ensuring user satisfaction. Replacement parts and accessories like FEP films are also available at affordable prices on Phrozen's Amazon store. For troubleshooting and further printing tips, Phrozen's Facebook groups and official website offer valuable resources. If you are interested in a Mini LCD Resin 3D printer, check the link in the description box.